Hello, today we are going to introduce Indonesian vocabulary about university.
And we will also model pronunciation and give an example dialogue.
And at the end, we're going to give a cultural tip.
Okay.
Universitas,
Kuliah,
tutorial,
wisuda,
fakultas,
jurusan,
hubungan internasional,
teknik,
hukum.
Hai Desmond.
Hai Roni, apa kabar?
Saya baik. Bagaimana dengan kamu?
Saya juga baik-baik saja. Sekarang kamu kuliah di mana?
Saya kuliah di Universitas Nusa Cendana di Kupang.
Wah,
Bagaimana dengan kamu?
sama, saya juga kuliah di Universitas Nusa Cendana di Kupang.
Jurusan apa kamu?
Saya mengambil jurusan kedokteran hewan. Bagaimana dengan kamu?
Saya mengambil jurusan pendidikan bahasa Inggris.
Wah, sangat bagus. Sekarang sudah semester berapa, Roni?
Saya semester 5. Bagaimana dengan kamu?
Sekarang saya sudah semester 7.
Wah,
Kira-kira kapan kamu akan wisuda nanti?
mungkin 2 tahun setengah lagi. Bagaimana
Wah.
dengan kamu?
Saya akan wisuda di tahun depan sekitar bulan Februari sampai bulan Maret.
Oh, bagus.
Apakah kamu punya kelas tutorial hari ini?
Saya tidak punya. Bagaimana dengan kamu?
Sama, saya juga tidak punya.
Oh.
Kira-kira kemana nanti kamu akan kerja setelah lulus nanti?
Saya rasa setelah lulus saya akan pergi working visa holiday di Australia.
Wah, itu sangat bagus.
Bagaimana dengan kamu? Apa yang akan kamu kerjakan setelah lulus nanti?
Setelah lulus nanti, saya akan bekerja di salah satu klinik hewan di Jakarta.
Wah, sangat bagus.
Oke, Roni, see you.
Senang bertemu kamu.
Senang bertemu dengan kamu juga.
So I was thinking, I don't know if you guys know, do you know about semester in Australia, in Australian universities? Huh? What does semester mean? How many semesters can you do in Indonesia?
8.
How many do you do what's the maximum number of semesters in Australian universities?
7.
It's basically 2.
2 semester.
So in Australia, we don't talk about total number of semesters. We say first year, second year, third year, fourth year, if there's. And so it's semester 1, first year, or semester 2, first year. And then second year, it's second year, semester 1, not semester 3. Do you see what I'm saying?
Not semester.
Not semester 3, not semester 4. So when you're talking to Australians and you say, I'm in semester 5, they might get very confused.
Oh, yeah.
But the word semester and semester is the same.
Yeah.
So you might say, do you understand semester in English? And you're like, yeah, of course. But it's different.
Yeah.
Different meaning.
Yeah.
No, not meaning, but like
But not yeah.
the process or like the number.
The numbering
Yeah,
numbering is
numbering.
different. Yeah.
Different.
Yeah. In Indonesia, it's semester 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And for one semester is 6 months.
Yeah.
But for Australian, one semester is 1 year.
No.
Where? In Australia?
Yeah.
No, in Australia,
Same.
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 Every year there's 2.
Yes. Yeah.
First year,
But-
second year, third year.
yeah.
Each year has 2 semesters.
Yeah, but like they say, one semester one first year.
So, and then you can have semester 2, first year.
Yeah.
So
The
now,
same.
yeah.
Semester 1, semester 2, first year.
First year.
Second year is berarti semester 4.
Semester 3 dan semester 3 and 4 is
Second year.
Second year in, yeah, that's right.
Okay, I
So
got
I'm
it.
in
Yeah.
third year.
Third year, and you're in?
5 year.
No.
First year.
No.
How many semesters have you done?
5.
You've done 5 semesters?
Yes.
So that's
Oh,
one,
not
first
5.
year?
I've done like 4 years. It's 2 years in Indonesia. But
You've done 4?
yeah, 4 semesters.
4 semesters.
In Australia is still
Second year.
Second year.
Yeah, it says second year.
Second
Yeah,
year.
yeah. So it's interesting because I see a lot of miscommunication between Australian and
Oh, yeah,
students because of this.
I just
Enam
noticed.
tiga.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm in fourth year.
Fourth year.
Yeah.
And you graduate now.
Yeah,
This year.
next year.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Makes sense. So what are you? Second year.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great.
Okay.
That's the cultural the tip.
Oh yeah, the tip. Oh, that's